Holland International School, we believe that learning Dutch should be meaningful, joyful and connected to real life. Our Dutch as a second language program gives children the chance to discover the language in a natural and playful way. In the early years, learning is hands-on and play-based, following the themes of the IOIC. Children sing songs, explore stories, play games and take part in creative projects. Every activity helps them to connect words to real-life experiences. For our older students, we connect our program to IPC on vocabulary, and we use Dutch language methods, which allows us to differentiate learning at multiple levels. This also allows us to tailor learning in different levels, building confidence in listening, speaking, reading and writing. Many students pick up the language quickly because they are surrounded by Dutch-speaking peers throughout the school day. We also practice using Dutch in real-life situations. Children learn to present, discuss current topics, they work on projects together and read to one another. They learn through movements outside and inside. Our classrooms are full of curiosity, fun and discovery. We create a safe and supportive environment where students feel proud to use Dutch and to celebrate their progress. By teaching Dutch daily within our English stream, we see steady and impressive progress. Students strengthen their skills while making meaningful connections to the wider curriculum. We are proud to hold an accreditation from NOB. That's the Dutch Organization for Dutch Language Education. We are an NTC location. This ensures high-quality Dutch language education. We also work closely with parents, where we align expectations, support children's learning. This partnership helps us to make the transition smooth between grades. Beyond language, we celebrate Dutch heritage and culture. Children learn about traditions, festivals, and everyday life. From King's Day to Sinterklaas, from typical food to art, culture and music. This connection helps them to understand the heart of our Dutch language and they feel part of the Dutch-speaking community in Singapore. At Holland International School, we see language as more than words and grammar. It is a bridge to understanding, friendships and belonging. Through play, communication, cultural experiences and strong home school partnerships, our Dutch as a second language program gives every child the tools and confidence to thrive.